everybody, this is Dean, Beat Technique, and this is probably one of my favourite sounds. I learnt it like last year. It is the dog bark. Yeah, so some of you might know, when I was younger I used to like suffer with these little tics and stuff, and it's almost like a form of Tourette sometimes. I feel like I can't help myself from making sounds. Yeah, the dog bark is one of them. You will, if you know me quite well, I'll just do the dog bark randomly in random places. Yeah, it's a great sound, and it does sound like a real dog bark, which is great. You'll have a lot of fun with this one. So the technique, straight into it, the technique is like when we were all growing up, we think like the dog, were like when I used to do a dog bark, I'd be like rough, 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 outwards. It is actually inwards, an inward sound. So yeah, it goes like this. So I'm like, if I'm going row, I'm gonna break it right down, right? So have you ever done that thing where you just like vocalize inwards? So you go like, I used to do it when I was a kid. When I like fall over and cry, I'd be like, oh, you hit my leg. I'm like speaking whilst breathing inwards. So go like, everyone do this. You go like, oh. So normally outwards we're going inwards. That's the first thing. So like that's one part. The second part is this one. This is another weird one. It's just sit like for hours doing this, going outwards. I don't even know the technical name for that. I used to call it like predator sound. Yeah, so but like try and do that inwards, right? So like start off going you might not get it straight away. Don't strain your voice too much, like too hard. It's just like a really chill, breathy sort of thing. It's also a great one, like I could do a robot sound. This carries on for this, but I'll do that on a later video. Yeah, so the and the need to be happening at the same time. You need to say this, and you need to go row, row. Inwards we go row, 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 row. And then I'm gonna do add the row, 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 row. Change the shape of your mouth. Then once you get in that tone, like just practice like putting your lips up a bit or pushing your jaw out. Just try and find the correct part. Like mine is like. There we go. That is the dog bark. You will have loads of fun learning the dog bark. Like I say every time, find a good place to practice. Like mostly with other beatboxers or on your own, and enjoy learning it. Okay, it's all about enjoying learning the sounds. Practice, persist, and stay positive. Make sure you like and subscribe the videos and share it and tell people about these free beatbox tutorials. And yeah, I'll catch you all soon. Thank you.